Saving time with Oracle Clips.
Welcome to this clip video on how to install the Image Builder tool in Oracle Linux. Image Builder is a tool for creating customized images of Oracle Linux that you can deploy on different platforms such as the cloud or bare metal systems. Image Builder is installed as a separate package for Oracle Linux. It's not installed by default, but is available for install from the default Oracle Linux AppStream repository. To run Image Builder, you need a dedicated system with 2 core processors, 4 GB of memory, 20 GB available disk space in the /var directory, internet access, and appropriate privileges for performing administrative tasks on the system. You can also run Image Builder on a dedicated virtual machine that meets these requirements. The installation of Image Builder is the same for Oracle Linux 9 and Oracle Linux 8. Here on this Oracle Linux 9 system, we install Image Builder with the command sudo dnf install -y and specify the packages osbuild-composer, composer-cli, cockpit-composer, bash-completion. Then we enable the Image Builder service to automatically start after every system reboot using the command sudo systemctl enable --now osbuild-composer.socket. And as you can also use the Cockpit web console to create custom Oracle Linux images, we use the command sudo systemctl enable --now cockpit.socket. It's not a requirement, but we will use the command source/etc/bash_completion.d/composer-cli and load the configuration script to enable the autocomplete feature of the composer-cli command. So that's the simple installation of the Image Builder tool on an Oracle Linux system. Remember to check out the other Image Builder clip videos also available.
You can see more clips here, and don't forget to subscribe to always get the latest.